How to say Wi-Fi password on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, ranging from iPhone 12 to iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to see the Wi-Fi password, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to see the Wi-Fi password on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings app, locate Wi-Fi and then click on it. Once you selected Wi-Fi, make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi. After that, click on the information icon on the Wi-Fi. Then here you should say auto join and password. Now to view the Wi-Fi password or see the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone, just click on the Wi-Fi password, then confirm your Face ID or Touch ID, and you're gonna see the Wi-Fi password you're connected to. You can just go ahead, copy the Wi-Fi password and then share with whoever you want to share the password with. Alternatively, if your iPhone is running on latest iOS 18, you can also see the Wi-Fi password using the password app. So go to the app screen or search for passwords and then open it. You can find this under utilities, confirm your Face ID. On the passwords app page, locate Wi-Fi and click on it. Here, you should see a list of Wi-Fi you've connected to on your iPhone if you haven't reset your iPhone in the past days. Then locate the one you're connected to, click on it, and then click on the password. Then it should say copy password, and then the password will be revealed. You can also go ahead and show network QR code. So you can just go ahead and show the Wi-Fi in QR code so that anyone can easily scan the QR code and join the Wi-Fi network. So that is basically how to see Wi-Fi password on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.